Good morning, students. This is my new session of online class. This is the 8th class in which I will discuss the topic mitochondria from the chapter 8 cell structure and its function. Previously, I have already discussed the structure of cell with its different functions. These are the pictures in which you have see a proper market area, proper supply of water, sewerage system and power supply to our houses. In this diagram, I want to discuss with you the supply of power which come from the powerhouses in which electricity can be generated. So students, this is the diagram for the cell, and each cell consists of so many components which are known as cell organelles. So students, in today's class I want to tell you about the powerhouse of the cell, which is a cell organelle, and the name of this cell organelle is mitochondria, which produces molecules which are usable form of energy. So students, what is the usable form of energy? See this diagram. In this diagram, paper is given and rupees are given, in which is the usable form. Both are made up of paper, but we can purchase everything with the help of rupees, not with the help of paper. So students, these rupees which are made up of paper are the usable form of paper to provide us the food items. We consume food for the production of energy, and this energy is not in a usable form. This convert in a usable form in the cell organelle mitochondria, which is known as powerhouse of the cell. This mitochondria convert this energy into ATP molecule, and this is abbreviated form of adenosine triphosphate. ATP is a usable form of energy which is needed by our body. This cell organelle mitochondria consists of two membranes. One is outer membrane, which is smooth in nature, transport materials across the cell, and inner is a rough membrane. So mitochondria consists of two membranes. One is outer membrane, which transport materials across the cell, and other is inner membrane. Inner membrane is highly enfolded form, and these folds of this inner membrane are called cristae. These cristae increase the surface area for the production of maximum usable form of energy, which is stored in mitochondria in the form of ATP molecule. These cristae increase the surface area for the production of maximum ATP molecules. Each mitochondria consists of its own DNA and ribosomes. So, due to the presence of DNA and ribosomes, each mitochondria has the capacity for replication, or to make its own replica. So students, mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. I have discussed the structure and functioning of mitochondria in this session, and students, in next session I will discuss next cell organelle, which is known as vacuole.